Powered by an all-new, lighter engine and equipped with throttle body injection, TBI, for the very first time, the Te150 offers improved torque and is expertly assembled with the latest technical innovations to deliver best-in-class performance. Setting a new standard for two-stroke engine development, this small-capacity model is incredibly versatile and highly capable in the hands of both beginners and seasoned racers alike. New XACT suspension with enduro-specific settings offers advanced damping for enhanced handling and comfort across the roughest terrain. With a distinctive and fresh new look inspired by the Swedish roots of the brand, the Te150 is the most complete, lightweight two-stroke enduro machine on the market today. Engine. The Te150 has inherited the same fuel-injected technology from the bigger Te250 and 300. This adds the convenience of a four-stroke engine by eliminating the need to premix fuel or adjust jetting for altitude. The engine also uses specific shaft arrangements, which are designed to harness the rotating mass of the engine for nimble handling. This, among other developments, makes it a lightweight and compact engine providing usable enduro-specific power while maintaining the low-cost maintenance of a two-stroke. Cylinder. The Te150 features a cylinder with a 58mm bore and an innovative power valve design. This allows the lively 150 cubic centimeters engine to deliver controllable power throughout the RPM range. The piston is designed to perfectly match the contour of the combustion chamber, delivering the highest level of two-stroke performance. Additionally, the cylinder features injectors mounted at the inlet positions, which deliver the fuel downwards into the transfer port, guaranteeing excellent fuel atomization. This ensures more efficient fuel combustion, reduced fuel consumption and improved emissions. Throttle body. The Te150 uses a newly developed 39mm throttle body with dual injectors positioned to optimize flow for a more immediate throttle response and improved rideability. Idle is controlled by the throttle valve, with one low-load injector and one top-feed injector ensuring maximum performance. Additionally, a new throttle position sensor, TPS, offers improved cold starting with the throttle valve now pivoting on ball bearings for a smoother throttle action. Frame. The proven chromium molybdenum steel frame is refined for 2024. A new shock mounting, which is no longer connected to the main tube, significantly improves the anti-squat behavior of the chassis. With optimized wall thickness in high-stress areas improving reliability, the frame continues to offer advanced geometries and flex characteristics aimed at providing unparalleled rider feedback, energy absorption, and straight-line stability. The frame is complete with a premium metallic blue powder coating with redesigned standard frame protectors offering improved grip in all conditions. Additionally, the redesigned and robust skid plate offers exceptional frame and engine protection. Bodywork. Adorned with clean, Swedish-inspired graphics, the bodywork is refined with the ergonomics allowing riders to perform at their best for extended periods of time. Adapted after countless hours of testing, the contact points and surfaces in the rider triangle have been repositioned for 2024 to further improve comfort on the motorcycle. A flatter seat profile offers unrestricted movement with a new, high-grip cover ensuring riders stay firmly in place under hard acceleration. Above the side panels, recessed pockets allow for the machine to be lifted and moved, which are particularly beneficial for those competing in extreme enduro events. LED headlight. The new LED headlight provides a brighter light output of approximately 300% for much improved visibility at night and is particularly effective when riding through dense woodland. A new mounting design sees the LED lighting unit installed into the headlight mask using a quick-release system, which allows it to be replaced quickly and easily if damaged. US MSRP price, $10,199. Canada MSRP price, $C dealer CDN. Europe/UK MSRP price, £9,249 on the road Inc. 20% VAT. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.